to the Math Magician channel. In this video, you will learn about the real numbers system, how we can classify all the numbers into different types. We can classify it first into two types, rational numbers and the irrational numbers. And rational numbers further divided into three more different types, integers, whole and the natural number. Let's first meet towards the natural number. What are the natural numbers? Are also called the counting numbers because they are used for the counting and it starts from 1. You can easily count the numbers. So that's why they are called the natural numbers. And but it has no 1 trillion, million and so on. You can easily count these numbers. But when we move towards the whole number are the basic number. It definitely starts from the 0 and moves on. It has no ending. So what is the difference between natural numbers and the whole number? Just the representation of the data. It's represented by n or it's represented by the w. Yes, just it includes the 0 because I have no book. I can't count these books. I have nothing. I have no pencil. You are not able to count my pencil. I have 0. Yes, so this is the way you can differentiate the whole numbers. Whole number, as the name suggests, the counting starts from the 0, then moves forward. Yes, so your positive parts are you can easily covered. What about your negative parts? So integers gives you the knowledge about it possesses positive numbers and it possesses negative numbers. It's also having a 0 in it. So the set of the integers you can include all the positive numbers and moves forward, all the negative numbers and moves forward. It means it's never end. Yes. So it's a set of the positive numbers and the negative numbers. Must remember it. It's not a fractional number. Don't write in a fraction form. So which category is suitable for the fractional number? Hmm. Next category. So next is about rational number. As the name suggests, all the numbers that can write in a form of a ratio or that can express in a form of m upon m. It means you can write in a form of m just like n. M or n are the numbers, integer number. You can write any number here. You can take any integer number here. You can assume minus because all are the integers form. But remember this is n will not be 0 because it will give you an error. And when you solve some fractions, so sometimes you are getting your decimals number. It means rational numbers are also the friend of the decimal numbers. But what about the irrational number? Irrational numbers are not rational, but it also deals on the decimal part. So you have to look around to what type of the decimal numbers values. If it's a terminating decimal, it's the friend of the rational numbers. And if it is a repeating decimal, it's a friend of a rational number. Yes, but if it is non-terminating, it's not a friend of rational. It will be irrational numbers. Yes, it will be non-repeating. It will be irrational. So, in next video, you can easily understand about terminating and the repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating decimals in very detail. So, this is meet some numbers that are all categories. You can divide it into different area. This is my block and I can divide my numbers into different types and different locations according to the nature of the number. Yes. So, in this, yes, we are able to know different types of the near real number subset. This is just a quick review about how many different types. A happy learning. Thank you from my subscribers. Subscribe my channel, Math Magician channel, tips and tricks. Many tips and tricks for you. But must watch my video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.